Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Lua on Windows, macOS or Linux. So whichever operating system you're using, you should be covered. Now we are starting from Windows. First, head to your search menu and search for command prompts. Now we're going to install Lua using winget. So type in the command winget install devcom.lua. Now after installing Lua, we also need to install LuaRocks, which is basically Lua package manager. And to do that, head to your browser and then search for LuaRocks. Head to luarocks.org and then click on install. Click on releases down here. And from here you can see for Windows 64-bit. So click on it and it should download. We can close our browser and open our download folder. Here we have LuaRocks. So let's right click and extract. Open the extracted folder and you can see LuaRocks and LuaRocks admin. So let's run LuaRocks. And that's all basically. Now we can close this. To check the version of Lua we are running, we are going to run Lua-V. And you can see this is Lua version 5.4.6. We can also do that for LuaRocks. So type in LuaRocks --version. And you can see LuaRocks 3.9.2 is installed and Lua 5.4.6 is installed. To test if Lua is working, we can just type in Lua and then write a single line of code. Hello world, and it works just fine. So this is how to install Lua and LuaRocks on Windows. Now let's move to macOS. For macOS, it's even easier. We're going to install Lua and LuaRocks using Homebrew. Now to check if Homebrew is installed, simply type in brew-v. And you can see Homebrew 5.1.12 is installed on my Mac. Now if you check this and Homebrew is not installed, installing Homebrew is very simple. You can just head to brew.sh, copy this command, paste it in your terminal, and that should install Homebrew. Now we already have Homebrew installed, so let's type in the command brew install Lua LuaRocks and hit enter. Now let's type in Lua-V. And you can see Lua 5.5.0 is installed. We can also type in LuaRocks --version. And you can see LuaRocks 3.13.0 is also installed. Now let's test the basic line of code again. And it works just fine. So this is how to install Lua and LuaRocks package manager on macOS. Onto Linux. For Linux, the command you're going to use depends on the Linux distribution you're running. In my case, I am running Fedora. Now, I made a blog post on how to install Lua on Windows, macOS, and Linux, which you can check it out and get all the commands. And if we scroll down to the Linux section, you can see for Ubuntu, Debian, for Fedora, and for Arch Linux. So whichever you're using, you can select the one that matches. I am using Fedora, so I'm going to use this command sudo dnf install Lua LuaRocks. So let's copy that, paste it in our terminal. Confirm your password. Enter Y for yes, continue. And both packages are installed. Now let's clear this and type in Lua-V, LuaRocks --version. And you can see both Lua and LuaRocks have been successfully installed. Now let's test our hello world print. And it works just fine. So basically, this is how to install Lua on Windows, macOS, and Linux. You can check out the blog post I made containing all the commands, which will be in the video description. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.